Hello you guys, welcome. So today is going to be my Boxycharm unboxing. This is for the month of March. Oh my gosh, how is it already the middle of March? So I just got this, actually, this is my Boxyluxe. I forgot that I am subscribed to Boxyluxe and I get, so Boxycharm is like the regular base box. I wanna say it's like $25. And then every 3 months they send out Boxyluxe if you are subscribed to that. And I wanna say it's like another $25 or $27 on top of that. And it's just supposed to be worth a heck of a lot of money. Like I wanna say it's like $250 or higher. So this is what the box looks like this month. It's very odd shaped. It's very big. Sounds like there's a lot in there. I just got it in the mail just now and I figured I would sit down and unbox it. I have no clue what's in here. And I just got out of the shower. I have no makeup on except for my brows. So I figured if there was some stuff in here, we could play with it and I could put it on. And all right, let's get into it. It's a very odd shaped box. Oh my gosh, I'm blinded by my ring lights. I can't even see. So, okay, I will say this is different than most of the boxes. So when you open it, this is what I'm seeing. It's this paper. Usually it's that black, like, almost like foamy stuff. So I've never actually seen paper in these before. And I have a card this month. I don't want to get into it yet because I want to be surprised. So it looks like the theme this month is called Pretty Edgy. So, oh, I just saw something. Okay. Ooh, what is this? So the first thing I'm seeing is, let's see, get this ginormous box out of the way, is this. It says blush on it. Limited edition design, when life gives you lemons, put on blush. So it's super cute packaging here. And I'm seeing that it does say on the back that it's cruelty free. So that is good. Doesn't look like anything crazy. The brand seems to be Elizabeth Mott. I'm gonna swatch it a little bit on the back of my hand. Oh my gosh. I mean, it's super, super light. Like, I don't even know if you guys can see that. It's super light. And I mean, that won't even show up on my skin. What? Let's see how much this blush is worth here. Show me your cheeks. This blush is $23. All right, the next thing I'm seeing in here, this looks to be like a palette, and the back just says Hello Charmer, and it has all of the ingredients, and you take it out of the little sleeve here, and it just says Hello Charmer, and then it says Boxycharm, so it sounds like this was probably made just for Boxycharm. And okay, I could live with this. These are really pretty. But these are some really pretty colors. Like these chrome color looking ones over here, those are absolutely gorgeous. I definitely don't have a palette with these colors, so I am excited to give these a try. The names are really cute. Boxycharmer, full size, exclusive, spoiler, luxe, unboxing, sneak peek, premium, swipe up, pop up, and cup of joe. I don't know why I always smell everything. So these are really pretty. I'm just gonna do a couple swatches of like these crazy colors. They're really, really pigmented. That's good. Okay, that is really pretty. And then we're gonna try this. This is full size. I'm trying to go around the blush. I'm sure you guys can't even see the blush because it didn't really show up. And then we're gonna try this swipe up. Oh my gosh, this one is super glittery and like, oh my gosh, it's kind of, oh my gosh, that is really pretty. That one I feel like would be really, really messy, but they're really pretty colors. I'm excited about this palette. The colors are definitely unique. I don't think I really have a whole lot of stuff in those colors. Let me see how much it is. The palette is Boxycharm Hello Charmer palette, $39. Okay, the next thing I'm seeing in here, ooh, a NARS lip pigment, Power Matte Lip Pigment in the color Warm Leatherette. Okay. This is what that looks like, and that is super duper dark. Oh my gosh. You know that I'm not a huge fan of these dark colors. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me right now? Yeah, I will probably never wear that. That is so dark. I'm just gonna let it dry down and see how it looks when it dries down. I will try it on later and we'll just give it a shot. Okay, that lip color is $25. The next thing I'm seeing in here, these are two little things. These are the Sol de Janeiro? The Coco Cabana cream and the Brazilian Bum Bum cream. So I've actually gotten both of these in a Boxycharm before. These are definitely smaller. I think I've got a full size of this one, and I can't remember if I have a little one or a big one of this, but these are just good lotions. I think the original one smells better than this one. So the first time I ever got this one, I liked it at first, and then I watched Kathleen Lights do her unboxing, and she said that this smelled like something, and ever since she said that, I cannot get that out of my head, and so every time I smell it, I think of her, and I think of what she smells. Yeah. If you guys want to know, keep watching. Otherwise, if you don't want to have that in your head, just skip a few seconds, but she says that it smells like popcorn, like smells like buttery popcorn or something, which kind of does. Yeah, I don't know. It definitely has a weird smell, but this one smells really good. This one just smells like tropical and smells like vacation. Okay, and those are, let me see, are those even on here? Yeah. So it just says like the duo for $15. So yeah, that sounds about right for those two little guys. All right, this next thing I'm seeing, this is from the brand Appeal. It's a gel liner. I'm not really sure if it's for your eyes or your lips. This is what that looks like, and we're just gonna do a little swatch here on my hand. So if I had to guess, I would definitely say this is a lip liner. Oh, it says lips or eyes. Okay. It says wear up to 7 hours without having to reapply. Provides a precision line and gives a professional look to the lips. Okay, and then this retails for $21. All right, the next thing I'm seeing in here are these little Invisibobble traceless hair rings. I've never tried these before. I've been very curious about how they work. I've never tried them in my hair. These retail for $8, and let's see here. You get 3 of them in here. They're cute. They're like really little. They're super cute. So that's what these look like. I kind of want to try putting my hair in one and just see. What's the appeal with these? Like, what is, I don't really understand. It's like putting your hair up with like a phone cord or something. The original traceless hair ring puts an end to all hair tying problems. Simple traceless avoids headaches and split ends. No soaking and anti-allergic. It is the knight in spiral armor. Whether you aim for a hygienic and firm grip, a comfortable ponytail for a cozy evening, or a modern and fun updo, the Invisibobble original traceless hair ring is there to offer a helping hand. Well, I don't really understand, like, I mean, yeah. It works. It's a hair tie. You guys notice like a red hue on my forehead? I used one of my color depositing shampoos in the shower earlier, and it definitely stained my forehead. Those things work. This looks to be the Sutra Beauty Mini Ceramic Curling Iron with Cool Tip. Okay. We've gotten one other hair product before. I got a little, like a mini straightening iron, and I never use it. I don't really travel that much, so it's really cute though. Let's see, this thing. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Look how little it is. That is really cute. You guys can see it, just looks like that. Looks to be just an on-off switch, and there's no thing on it, so it's like one that you just kind of wrap your hair around. This is really cute. What does it say about here? I don't think I've ever heard of this brand. Wow, this thing retails for $50. Just style your hair like a professional with this mini ceramic curling iron. The compact design is safe for all hair types and has a max temperature of 370. create gorgeous curls with ease, and keep hair healthy with even heat distribution and adjustable temperature control. I'm gonna plug it in and we're gonna try doing a couple curls when it heats up, just because I've never used a wand like this before. Like, I've only ever done the ones that like have the spring. So I'm just curious to see how these work. So the last thing, oh yeah, I told you guys that was $50. So the last thing in here, right? Yeah. This is from PMD Clean Smart Facial Cleansing Device. It's a smart facial cleansing device that uses sonic glow technology, as 4 customizable modes and brush optimized for all skin types. It's got an anti-aging facial massage. Sign me up for that. Oh, it runs on battery. Okay, so this is what this looks like. And then it comes with a little guy like that. I guess you just kind of sit it like that. So it looks to be like silicone-y, and it's kind of got like the ridges right here. And then I think, oh yeah, there's the on and off there. And then I'm assuming the battery goes in the bottom. Oh. I wonder how that works. Oh, and it lights up. It feels very, very weird. Ooh. And it gets faster. Oh, and then there's a pulsating. What? Oh, and then it's like really fast. And then it shuts off. Okay, so it sounds like it has 4 different settings. Oh my gosh, this thing retails for $99. It says, with over 7,000 vibrations per minute, our sonic glow technology not only ensures a deep cleanse, but provides a way to lift, firm, and tone problem areas for a more youthful appearance. Oh, hey. Okay, I'm excited about this thing. I can't believe it's $99. That's crazy. So I'm gonna add everything up real quick and see what the value is. And then I think I might just try on a little bit of makeup. I maybe won't talk anymore. I'll just kind of like do a little eye look and maybe try on the lipstick and just play with some makeup for a few minutes. Okay, so this box retails for $280. That's a great deal, and I paid about around $50. A lot of the items are not items I would probably normally go out and purchase. The little tools are fun. Like, I'm super excited about this guy, and I'm excited to try this curling wand. And I really, really like this palette. Like, I'm really enjoying the colors in here. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking and just play with some makeup. I don't know what color to do. I want to grab one of these like shimmery colors and just pop it right on my eyelid, and I'm kind of scared because I don't really know that any of them are going to go with that dark lip, but I just want to try. I think I'm going to go with this purple one. So this purple one is called Full Size, and I'm just going to use my finger and put it right on my lid because why not? Actually gonna go in with this red color just to kind of darken up my crease a little bit, because I feel like with that, I don't know, it needs something. I feel like any blues, for some reason I love blues, but I just don't feel like they look right. So I'm actually gonna go in with this swipe up color on my other eye, just because why not? I'm not going anywhere, and I'll just wash them off. This one is super like textury. Oh my gosh. That one is so fun. It's super messy, but it's really fun. So my daughter's 6th birthday party is on Saturday, and it's a fairy party. So I think I just found out what eyeshadow I'm gonna be wearing. Oh my gosh, it is so glittery, but it is so pretty. I really, really like that. It's gonna be super messy and hard to take off, but oh well. Okay, I'm just gonna put on a little bit of mascara, and then we're gonna try the lip color in the blush. I think it looks super crazy because I don't have any face makeup on, and my eyes are two different colors, but that's okay. All right, so let's go ahead and try out this blush. I have a feeling this might be a blush that I give to my daughters to play with because there's absolutely no pigment. Okay. I mean, maybe a little. You know what? It actually did give me a little something. This might be good blush to wear on days where like I don't wear any face makeup and I just want a little like pink in my cheeks. Maybe it's not so bad. It's not anything crazy like, but yeah, I think it might be nice for just like a natural makeup day. All right. Oh yeah, not the hair yet. We're gonna do the lips. It already seems like it's drying a little bit. I don't think it's gonna be transfer proof at all, but it is definitely starting to dry down where I don't think it's gonna get all over the place. It's a pretty color, but I just don't think these colors look right on me. I don't know. My hair might be still a little damp, but I'm gonna give it a shot. It's a good little travel size. Maybe I'm doing it wrong. Oh my gosh. Okay, what did I do wrong? Let's try this again. I mean, this would take forever to curl your entire head. I feel like this would literally take forever. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, well, I don't know about this. Maybe it, oh my gosh. Alright guys, that is all I'm going to be doing right now. I think I'm going to put this guy back in my hair and call it a day and go clean my house. But I definitely had fun playing with all this stuff. Maybe if I go to like an 80s party and I want like really, really curly hair, then I could use that. But I don't know, man. I mean, it definitely works. But yeah, overall, I would say this box was fun. I'm happy with it. Did you guys like what you got? Are you happy with yours? Also, my variation is number 3 because sometimes you guys are curious about that. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and we will see you all soon. Bye.